to yet another episode of the News on Map series. My name is Pooja Dwivedi. Today we are going to discuss certain important questions that are in revision mode, so you must know all the questions answered. It is named after the river which flows through it. The vegetation is dominated by three types of trees: Kardhai, Khair and Salal. Once this area was identified as the most suitable region to reintroduce Asiatic lions, and it was designated as a wildlife sanctuary only in the year 1981, and later on it was designated as a national park. Which of the following national park is being referred to? Gir, Kuno, Pench, Panna. It's very easy because the first line itself gives away the answer. It is named after the river which flows through it. The Kuno river flows through the Kuno National Park, and it was designated as a wildlife sanctuary in the year 1981. Also, earlier it was thought of as the most suitable region to reintroduce Asiatic lions. Now, because of the reintroduction of cheetahs in this region has been in the news, this national park is in the news. That is why option C, that is Kuno National Park, is correct. Which of the following rivers do not have their source in the country of Guinea? Limpopo, Niger, Gambia, Orange. Gambia river has its origin in the country of Guinea. And as you can see, it is flowing through many countries, important countries. Also, if we have to talk about the next river, that is the river of Niger, it also has its origin in Guinea, and then forming the delta in Nigeria, it goes into the Gulf of Guinea. Now we have Orange River, which flows through the southern region of Africa, as well as Limpopo River. So Limpopo and Orange do not have their origin in the country of Guinea. So the correct answer will be Limpopo and Orange 1 and 4. That is option C here is the correct answer. Moving ahead to the next set of questions, let's go through them one by one. Voruk, a region often seen in the news, is a flashpoint between which two countries? So Voruk is a flashpoint between Kazakhstan and Tajikistan. Okay, remember that. Kazakhstan and Tajikistan, that is option C. This island is volcanic in origin. The most significant mountain range, Cordillera Central, contains the island's highest point, which is Corre de Punta, and it is the easternmost island nation and a part of the Greater Antilles chain. The northern shore of the island faces the Atlantic Ocean, so we are talking about which of the following islands? Papua New Guinea, Dominican Republic, Cuba, Puerto Rico. We are talking about Puerto Rico. The northern region faces the Atlantic Ocean, and it is the easternmost island nation of the Greater Antilles region. This is the Greater Antilles region. And if we talk about the central Cordilleras, let's talk about them. Cordillera Central has its highest point, Cerro de Punta, and that is why we are talking about Puerto Rico. These many important sentences are given, so you can easily answer it. Option D, here is the correct answer. Moving on, Xinjiang, a region often seen in the news, it has its borders with how many of the following countries? Kazakhstan, India, Afghanistan, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan. Here is Xinjiang, okay? And Xinjiang, Uyghur Autonomous Region of Xinjiang, has its borders with Mongolia, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, Afghanistan and India, okay? So from the given options, you can see easily, leaving Turkmenistan, all the four countries have a border with Xinjiang region. So 4 countries only will be the correct answer, that is option C. Moving on to the next question, Thengar Char is an island which is situated in South Pacific Ocean, North Bay of Bengal, West Arabian Sea, East Atlantic Ocean. Here is Thengar Char, also known as Bhasan Char. Here only many refugees, Rohingya refugees have been, reinstated. And that is why this is important for us to know. North Bay of Bengal is the correct answer, okay, option B. So these kind of questions could be asked in your examination. Which of the following islands lie to the west of the international dateline and also to the north of the equator? Tuvalu, Samoa, Vanuatu, Guam. So Tuvalu, Vanuatu, also Guam, okay, and Vanuatu, Tuvalu, Samoa I think was the other one, right? So Samoa, Tuvalu, here is Samoa, here if you can see it here. Tuvalu is over here, Vanuatu is over here, and then we have here Guam. Guam, as you can see, this is the equator. These all islands are to the west of the international dateline, but Guam is the only one which is to the north of the equator also. So both the criteria have been fulfilled. Alright. So that makes option D to be the correct answer. With respect to the Gobi Desert, consider the following statements. It lies completely in Mongolia. It is bounded by the Altai Mountains to the east and it is a cold desert. Let's see how many statements are not correct. So Gobi Desert is in China as well. It is in, as you can see, Mongolia as well, and certain other regions. So it's not only Mongolia, that is correct. Then comes the Altai Mountains. See, Gobi Desert is actually to the west of it is the Altai Mountains. Okay, so that makes the west one to be the correct one. Both the options are, both the statements are incorrect. And it is a cold desert, that is correct. Gobi Desert is here, and as you can see, the purple ones are cold desert. So only the third statement is correct, first and second are not. Two statements only will be the correct answer because we had to select the not correct ones. Moving on to the next set of questions. A person starts their journey from the Aleutian Trench along the Pacific Ring of Fire. What is the correct order of trenches along the Circum-Pacific Belt if they have to reach Tonga Trench? And this is the order of trench that has been given. So from Aleutian Trench, the person has to reach Tonga Trench. So first we will go through Japan, then we will go through Ryukyu Trench, then Philippine Trench, and finally Bougainville Trench. Okay, so this is the correct order. From Japan we have to start Japan, then Ryukyu, Philippine, and then Bougainville Trench. That is option B. Option B is correct over here. Moving on, consider the following statements. This is India specific. Assam shares a border with Bhutan and Bangladesh only. Mizoram shares a border with Bangladesh and Myanmar only. West Bengal shares a border with Bhutan and Nepal only. So let us see how many are correct. As you can see, here is Assam and it shares a border with Bhutan and Bangladesh. If we have to talk about international borders. So Bhutan and Bangladesh, yes, first statement is correct. Mizoram shares a border with Bangladesh and Myanmar. Yes, Mizoram shares a border with Myanmar and Bangladesh only. That is also correct. But West Bengal, as you can see, I think the third statement is saying West Bengal shares a border with Bhutan and Nepal only. No, it shares a border, West Bengal shares a border with Bhutan and Nepal and also Bangladesh. So there is no, only should not be there. Option, sentences 1 and 2 are correct. So option A will be the correct answer. Moving on to the next set of questions. One draws a straight line joining Ranthambore Tiger Reserve and Valmiki Tiger Reserve. Then another straight line joining the Valmiki Tiger Reserve with Melghat. And the last straight line joining Melghat Tiger Reserve and Ranthambore. These lines were drawn in such a manner that it makes a triangle. Which of the following pairs of Tiger Reserve will definitely lie completely within the drawn triangle? So let us see. Ranthambore and Valmiki we have to join first. Okay, so Ranthambore and Valmiki, then Valmiki and Melghat, and then Melghat and Ranthambore. So which two of the given ones will definitely lie in it? So as you can see that Panna is definitely lying in it. So Panna is going to be one of our answers. Panna Tiger Reserve and Satpura. Satpura is also one that is lying entirely in this region. Okay, so option, which one? Option B is correct over here. Moving on to the next ones. Arrange the following regions from south to north. This will, of course, if you have been following the news, this is one of the questions that is very important. So Galwan, Daulat Beg Oldie, Hot Spring, Pangong Tso, Y junction from south to north, that is from bottom to top we have to go. First we will have Pangong Tso Lake, then we will have Hot Springs, that is petroleum point 15, then we will have petroleum point 14, that is Galwan Valley, then we will have Y junction, and finally we will have Daulat Beg Oldie. Alright, so I hope you understood this question, because it could be asked. First Pangong Tso, then Hot Springs, then Y junction, then Galwan Valley, then Y junction, and finally Daulat Beg Oldie. 43152, 43152, option D here is correct. Alright, moving on to the next set of questions. Now consider the following pairs. We have to match the dam to the state. Koyna, Kerala, Cherutoni, Himachal Pradesh, Chamera, Maharashtra, Tilaiya, Karnataka, Hidkal, Jharkhand. Let us see. So here is first Cherutoni, let's talk about that. It's in Kerala. Okay. Then I think Tilaiya is in Jharkhand. Then Chamera is in Himachal Pradesh here. Also, I think they talked about Hidkal Dam. Hidkal is in Karnataka, okay, and Koyna is in Maharashtra. Alright, so I hope you understood this question. This question could be asked. So A, B, C, D, E, we will write like this. Alright, Koyna is in Maharashtra. Then we have Cherutoni is in Kerala. Then Chamera is in Himachal Pradesh. Tilaiya is in Jharkhand. And finally Hidkar is in Karnataka. So 3, 1, 2, 5, 4. 3, 1, 2, 5, 4. Option A is correct over here. Alright, moving on to the next question, which is also the last question for your practice. The Home Reef volcano is situated in Tonga, New Zealand, Haiti, Indonesia. Okay, so answer this question. That's it. Thank you so much for watching.